Imagine a world where money moves as fast as a text message, crossing borders in seconds with no hefty fees or delays. That's exactly what Ripple and XRP are making possible. But what is RLUSD and why is everyone talking about it? Stay tuned. It could change the way we think about money forever. High-powered visuals of digital transactions, shiny currency symbols, and futuristic graphics. Welcome to today's video, where we take a deep dive into Ripple, XRP, and RLUSD. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrency or a seasoned investor, this is a discussion you don't want to miss. Let's find out how these technologies are reshaping global finance. What are Ripple and XRP? To start, what is Ripple? Ripple is a technology company focused on enabling instant, secure, and low-cost cross-border payments. Their cryptocurrency, XRP, acts as a bridge currency that makes these transactions possible. Think of Ripple as the train and XRP as the fuel that powers it. Visual, animated train carrying digital currency crossing a bright map of the world. Unlike traditional systems like SWIFT, which take days and cost a fortune, Ripple settles payments in just seconds. This is how Ripple and XRP are revolutionizing the financial system. What is RLUSD? Now, you might be wondering, what about RLUSD? RLUSD stands for Ripple Liquidity USD, which plays a key role in Ripple's ecosystem. It is a mechanism that increases liquidity by using XRP as a bridge for fiat-to-fiat currency exchanges. This means it can instantly convert one currency, such as USD, to another currency, such as EUR or JPY, at lightning speed. Visual, animated exchange between USD, EUR, and JPY, connected by XRP in the center. With RLUSD, banks and financial institutions can unlock trapped capital by eliminating the need for pre-funded accounts in multiple countries. This isn't just innovation, it's financial evolution. Why it matters? Visual, side-by-side comparison of traditional banking versus Ripple XRP processes. Major players like Santander, American Express, and even central banks are exploring Ripple's technology. This isn't just a passing fad, it's a game changer. The future of Ripple and XRP. Ripple is also facing some challenges, such as its legal battle with the SEC, but recent positive developments in litigation are bringing renewed optimism. As more countries embrace cryptocurrency regulations, Ripple is poised to expand its footprint globally. Visual. The Ripple logo glows as legal papers dissolve into digital particles. And as demand for faster, more efficient payments grows, RLUSD could be the key to unlocking Ripple's full potential. Call to action. That's the big picture for Ripple, XRP, and RLUSD. What do you think? Could this be the future of money? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of crypto and blockchain. Closing scene, futuristic graphics of the XRP logo glow with the tagline, "Revolutionary money, one Ripple at a time."